Okay everybody, we are going to do a quick video real quick on how to replace your UVC light. As you can see, I have the fan housing out of my Steakager already just to try and save time on the length of the video. So the first thing you're going to notice is the wires on this side, and this is just for your reference. This black wire that's covered is also black and red on the inside of it. This is what powers your fan unit. This gray and white wire, this is what powers your UVC. And then this last wire is what powers the board that feeds the sensors, okay? So, the first thing you're going to want to do is after you take this out of the Steakager, this is the long screw here and here that attaches it to the ceiling, and then this last screw kind of keeps the plate on the cover of the housing, okay? So as you're screwing these screws, it helps to get your fingers inside there a little bit to kind of put some pressure on the plate to pull it out as you're unscrewing. Just makes it a little easier taking it out, okay? So, as you get the housing off, you're going to notice that this is what the inside of it looks like. Obviously, here's your fan. This is the board that controls the sensors and powers everything else. Here is your temperature and humidity sensors, and then this over here is your UVC light, right? So the first thing you're going to notice is that this white light or white wire is what feeds to this board. You're going to want to unplug that from the board. And then you're going to notice these two screws that hold your fan in. You want to take those two screws out to get the fan out of the way, right? It just makes it easier to get to the UVC light. You're going to notice a clip here and a clip here underneath the UVC light, right? You're also going to want to pay attention to underneath there, as you can kind of maybe see in there, you can actually see the back of the UVC light through that vent. I've noticed it's a little bit easier taking a Q-tip or a paper clip to push through that vent to push the UVC light out of those clips that hold it in, okay? So once you pull that out of there, there's some sticky tape on the back of that holds it in. So you can push on it. It's going to feel a little tough to pull out of there, but I promise you it'll pop out. With your new UVC light, you're going to take it, pop it back into place, right? It'll clip in. Go ahead and plug everything back in on the board. Place your fan back in. Screw it back in. Replace the housing in and screw that in, and then go ahead and put that back into your Steakager. If you have any questions, let us know.